This is calculating probability using Venn diagrams and, well, going over hopefully how to construct them as well. So things you've got to remember: probability is what you want over all the different outcomes that there are, and it could be either a decimal, fraction or percentage. So I'm going to use mostly fractions really for now. Okay, and I'm going to jump straight into this. Now, because we're going to be constructing Venn diagrams, these aren't rules, these are just tips that I like to use myself. There are so many different things. But when constructing, I always start from the center going out. So that's putting in the information I know. And yeah, basically put the information you know before reverting to unknowns. So I got this one here. So let's focus on this constructing. So at the theatre, 25 people bought ice cream. So ice cream. 20 bought sweets. So we got sweets there. And 12 bought both. So that area there is for the both. And 10 bought neither. So that will be on the outside, someone that doesn't meet both circles. So with that, that means we've got 10 on the outside because that is the neither. And then when I say start from the center out is my hint, I mean start from anything overlapping. So we've got 12 bought both, so put that number in there. Okay, now we can start filling out this area and that area there. So let's go to the start. There were 25 people who bought ice cream. So this circle, this whole circle is 25. 12 is in the middle, so that means this must be 13 because this whole circle must equal 25. Look at the same on this side. This whole circle, 20 bought sweets, so that whole circle equals to 20. So this whole circle is 20, 12 add 8 gives us 20. All right. So first, once you've constructed one, then ask how many people in total. So that means you just have to add all the values in your Venn diagram. So I've got 13, 12, 8 and 10, which adds to 43. And then what's the probability someone got an ice cream? So what that'll be is the probability of everyone in ice cream. So that is 25. So probability of ice cream, okay, equals 25 out of how many in total? And that is 43. All right, so got the second one here, you have a look at and then give a go. And then once you've done that, well, pause it and then I'll go over it in a second. All right, so let's have a look at constructing this Venn diagram first. So 100 people that asked if they like football and if they like rugby. 24 like rugby, 84 like football and 16 like both. Okay, so my tip is always start from the middle. So I know 16 liked both. So in that middle section, okay, 16 there. So now this is my football circle. That is my rugby circle. So if we start to now construct this, if I look back at the question, 24 people liked rugby. So this whole circle should equal 24. 16's there. 16 from 24 leaves me with 8. And then 84 liked football. So this whole circle there is 84. So take away 16 from 84 to get this area here. And that leaves me with 68. Now, important thing to note here, there is something that goes in the outside. Now, if we add these three values up, we get 92 actually, and we were asked 100 people. So that means on the outside, 8 people were not a rugby fan or a football fan. So going back here, or going on to here, so A, how many didn't like either sport? That is 8, because we just did that. And then what's the probability someone likes no sport? Well, we've got that there, 8 out of 100. So probability no sport equals 8 over 100. Obviously you can simplify that down if you wish to, well, that could go to, I think it's 2 over 25. Okay, and then also you could put a percentage or decimal as you need.